If you're running Google Ads in 2025 and still using keywords like it's 2019, you're burning cash. Let's talk keyword research. How to find the ones that work and stop chasing ghosts. First thing, stop obsessing over broad keywords. Everyone's bidding on them and the CPC is insanely low. You can also go long tail. I'm talking about specific search terms like affordable CRM for small teams instead of just CRM software. Fewer clicks, yes, but way more qualified leads. Now, here's a secret that most people miss. Check your search terms report weekly, not monthly. That's where the gold is hiding. You'll see what people are typing before clicking your ad. Use that to build your negative keywords list, and trust me, your budget will thank you. Finally, look at your competitors, not to copy them, but to see what they're missing. Use a tool like SpyFu or SEMrush. Find gaps. If they're ignoring high intent keywords with low competition, that's your opportunity to sneak in and dominate. So, a quick recap: long tail keywords, weekly search term checks, monitor trends and intent, and outsmart your competition by spotting gaps. Keyword research in 2025 isn't about finding more words, it's about finding the right ones. Now go tweak those campaigns. You got this. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.